Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can convert a PDF file to a Word document in your mobile device. It works on both Android and iPhone. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So step number 1 would be to open any browser, and you search for File Converter. Then you get all of these websites, but you want to click on this website right there. For me, it's ranking first on Google, but it's called onlineconvert.com. Click on that website, and then you end up on their homepage. You can scroll down. Then, click on PDF to Word. Then you can upload your file. I'm gonna click on Choose Files. I'm then going to click on My Files. And then you can select the file that you want to convert. So right now I'm uploading my PDF file, and it's gonna convert this to a Word document on your mobile phone, so you just gonna wait for it to upload. And you can then click on Start Conversion right there. If I just scroll down, you can see that it's processing right now. There you go, so now it converted my PDF file to a Word document, and you can download it by clicking Download button. That's pretty much how you can do this right. So I can open this with Word. It actually works. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.